The 5 steps to intelligent crypto investing. 1. Build a diversified core portfolio. Start with a balanced foundation. 60% stocks, 30% bonds, and up to 10% crypto. 2. Customize your crypto slice. Your 10% crypto allocation can be Bitcoin, simplest, 50-50 Bitcoin and Ethereum, still simple, or a carefully chosen mix of high-quality digital assets. You'll learn how to pick these in Part 2. 3. Use our evaluation frameworks. If you choose your own cryptos, use the quantitative and qualitative tools in this book to find long-term winners. 4. Invest consistently. Set up monthly contributions through a steady drip plan. Same day, every month, regardless of price. 5. Hold for the long term. We're in this for the long haul, 5 or more years. This isn't a book for geeks or freaks. You won't find pages of mind-numbing technical jargon. We won't spend chapters explaining how blockchains work. There are plenty of books for that. What is blockchain? Blockchain is the technology that powers crypto. Here's the world's simplest explanation. Imagine a giant Excel spreadsheet shared with millions of people. Every time someone makes an update, the change is copied across thousands of computers, similar to how cloud storage works. These updates are saved in blocks of data, which are linked together in a chain, hence blockchain. That's really all you need to know. Blockchain technology runs crypto, and we'll try to avoid the word from here on out. Instead, you'll find timeless investing principles applied to the most exciting financial revolution of our time. This revolution doesn't require political protests or deposing dictators, but simply putting our investments into global digital money. This global digital money, as we'll see in Part 3, is the whole point. It's the book in 3 words. The dollar is dying, and what will replace it is global digital money. Like Bitcoin, but better. That's what every crypto investor is really betting on, whether they know it or not. Don't panic. Be prepared. Best of all, this isn't just a book about crypto. It's a book about becoming a better investor, a more thoughtful one, a more intelligent one. And listening to it from start to finish will be one of the best investments you ever make. But to understand where crypto is going, we need to go back to the chaos that created it, the global financial panic that gave birth to Bitcoin.